This is by far the best memory foam topper for a mattress that we ever had. And we are not the only ones that seems to like it for sure. But we had two different ones in the past that they were pretty good. They one lasted kind of like 2 years and the other one lasted like a year or something like that. So this is our new one. And it's been with us for like a week or something like that. So after 2 years and a year, like barely like 3 years of two different ones, that they were really good. I have to say that this is the best one, not the first one, the best one. Again, I'm not the only one liking it. We love it. With my wife, we love it. It's a 3 inches, super thick one, but also it has kind of like a cooling pad, I have to say. The other ones that we had, they were kind of like nice, but I never had that feeling of not being hot. With this one actually has some kind of a cooling pad that I really, really like and we really like. But this one, more than anything, it is extremely, extremely soft. Let me show it to you in a close-up. I do like that comes with the deep pockets over here with kind of like the elastic that you can extend a little bit if you want or adjust a little bit if you want. This is a tall mattress. This is an 18-inch mattress. So you're going to see that you're not going to have any issues on putting this one kind of like underneath or a big mattress like this one. And then take a look at this. Take a look at how thick it is and how much it takes to kind of like reshape. Nothing. It takes nothing. It is super, super soft. And the more weight, I don't know what's happening here, but the more weight you put in it, the best it acts. Also, right here, it comes with a really nice rubber pad at the bottom with this kind of like a little dots over here that will avoid it to slipping too much, like moving too much. So that's another really good thing of this fantastic and fluffy memory foam mattress topper. Well, then it seems like she's going to help me with this, but then I want to show you what happened when you put that weight over here. So I'm going to actually lay down. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels really nice, I have to say. But then applying the pressure over it, you're gonna see that it reshapes right away, and you can see that for I can't like this, but she really likes it. But you can see that it kind of like shapes the way that my body is actually acting with the weight. So you can see that my back is going in, my back is going in, my stomach is going in, just like this. My side is going in as well. I really can't, but I do want to show you that this one, it is truly, truly fantastic. It feels really, really good. And also, of course, it's going to be super soft with some cooling pad as well, with the deep pocket. And also it's going to give you that really nice feeling of just resting properly, I have to say, after a long day of work, after working out, or just taking a magical and fantastic nap over here. I'm going to just take a nap with her right now because this one, it is truly, truly fantastic. I like it. I do recommend it. We love it. I think it's the best memory foam mattress pad we ever had, and it's the definitive one that we're going to keep. Thanks for watching and see you soon.